Hello, in this video I'm gonna unbox the ROBOROCK QRevo Curv robot. So here is the box and let's unbox it. So first I'm gonna cut the tapes. And inside, as we can see, here is the quick start guide. So it is a big sheet with all the instructions that are important for the quick start. Then here are safety guidelines and certifications, so it is also recommended to read those. Then here we have the rotating mopping pads, which we're gonna attach to the robot in a moment. And now let's take out this box, in which I expect to have the robot itself, or maybe first let's take this cover out. There's nothing in there anymore, and now we should be able to take the robot out more easily. So here is the box from the robot. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna open it, so like that. And inside, on the right side, we get the charging cable, which is important, which needs to be plugged into the charging base. Then also here are other things which I'm gonna check right now. So here is the dust bag. This is how it looks. You just put it into your robot and it collects dust into it. And now let's move on to the next things. Under this cover is the robot itself. So let's take it out of this foil package. This is how it presents. Before the first startup, you should remove this foil, which is here. Underneath, you can put the mopping pads here, and here is the side brush, here is the main brush. So we're gonna get to that later. And is there anything else? I don't think so. So let's move on to the next part, which is the charging base. So, okay, here we don't have anything, it's an empty box. And then I'm gonna open this tape right here. And this is the charging base, so I'll move the box. This is how it presents. And here we have the robot, which should go inside like that. So the buttons on the robot here are facing out, and then you should just plug in the charging base, remove this foil, and now you should be able to just drive the robot into the base in this way, and you should be able to start. In the next video, I'm gonna provide a tutorial on how to set up your robot. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.